If you like to know how we make the holes for this backrest, we is once we have our marks from the centers, we just go like this. There you have it. Perfect holes for your headrests, guys. Demystifying the installation process, make it easy for you guys. Alright, in this chapter we're going to be talking about the removal. We show you guys this in previous videos right here at Upholstery Technology. We are demystifying the installation process. This is our everyday operation. This is not a studio production. So these are real cars from real customers. And we don't want you to think that this is extremely complicated. But once you see this process, you can assess if you decide to do it yourself or if you hire a professional. These are not to be saved. Save. This side so you can see. Many people use the blade and not fond of the blade. Scissors. And there you have it, one off. And I'm gonna explain once again the reason why we do it that way. So we can save the clips and we just slide these things out and the new cover will clip in. Like and subscribe and start the buying process clicking the link. And if you have a special inquiry, let me know in the text, in the comments. Same process goes for all the other ones, including the front ones and the center console. So I will be seeing you guys in the next chapter so I can show you how the installation process is gonna go. Okay, in this chapter we're gonna be fully trimming this section. We already loaded as we explained in the previous chapters, and I say that I want to demonstrate this section, so it's already there. And as you remember, we did our cuts and all this. We just remove these sections, put the new one back in, and we are demystifying the installation process, making it simple. When you have this issue, the way to address it is you just make a new one. There. Because sometimes when you try to reuse the same hole as the previous one, they just unlock. It's not really that critical. Just so you know. If you have questions about a specific topic on this installation or any other installation that we do, please comment so we can help. Let me know which section do you want more details from. Now take a look at this clip right here. Normally it went like this, but if you don't have enough room or it doesn't hold, I go like this. Slightly angled, and now it's holding in place. I'm gonna do more or less the same here. See, normally it goes like that. Now I'm gonna go in an angle. It doesn't make any difference. It's just holding it. The other thing, guys, you can go quick if you know what you're doing. I know most times if you don't watch this video first and you get hands-on, it's things that you're gonna be missed. So it's better for you to watch it first so you know what you wanna be doing later. At the end of the day, you can do whatever you want. It will work. And again, if it doesn't work like this, you can put them right down. No deal. Whoops. Make a new hole. This section right here is pre-cut, so we just take this off and put the new one back in. This one we need to cut. Look at this, guys. Again, it goes like this. I don't have it. I go all the way around and I put it right here. This doesn't make any difference, but it's gonna hold better. This one we need to cut, and right here we just want to extend our clip. Another clip over here. There. 3 clips over here. I don't know why they put 3, but there is 3. One, two. The way that I will do this, to make it more simple, just get your chalk, line them up, and then we cut. I remove a small section of this plastic because I have the seam on the way. In here I'm gonna go all the way to the other side so I can trim this one back. We want to give it extra support. Just like that. We have another one over here. Same process. That one is done. Then we have this other one here. Same process. And there you have it. Yeah, we're gonna have to open the holes for the headrest guides. Like and subscribe. Upholstery Technology. Get our leather kits from LeatherTeck. Visit the website www.leathertech.com or emupholsterytechnology.com. Start the buying process. Like and subscribe. If you need something specific, send me a text. Click in the link below and comment. Okay, we'll continue in the next chapter so you can see the front seats. And that will be the completion of our installation. And then we're gonna move to the installation of the seats in the vehicle, which is the reverse process of the removal. So wait for the next chapter so you can see the completion of this installation at EM Upholstery Technology in San Bernardino, California.